As a reminder, carbon monoxide is an invisible, odorless, tasteless gas and is highly poisonous. Florida Department of Health recommends the following precautions. Do not burn charcoal or gas grills inside a house, garage, vehicle, tent, or fireplace. Never use a generator indoors, including homes, garages, basements, crawl spaces, and other enclosed or partially enclosed areas, even with ventilation. Opening doors and windows or using fans will not prevent CO buildup in the home. Always locate the unit outdoors on a dry surface away from doors, windows, tents, and air conditioning equipment that could allow carbon monoxide to come inside. Follow the instructions that come with your generator. Remember that you cannot see or smell carbon monoxide, and portable generators can produce high levels of carbon monoxide very quickly. If you feel sick, dizzy, or weak while using a generator, get to fresh air right away. Do not delay. If you have a poisoning emergency, call your nearest Poison Information Center at 1-800-222-1222. If the victim has collapsed or is not breathing, call 911 immediately.